জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
This is not hearsay. I've experienced it many times. You didn't say this back then that destiny cannot be changed. Nayan, you changed destiny. You know it. You did it for me and you did it for Tarun as well. You did it for your friend from the village. But today, when Dad's death is near, won't you be able to save him, Nayan? But today, I won't take no for an answer. If destiny has decided Dad's death, then you have to ditch it. You have to save my dad at any cost, Nayan. You have to change his destiny today. If destiny has decided Dad's death, then you have to ditch it, Nayan. You have to save my dad. You have to save my dad at any cost.
Sir, calm down. Please calm down. Why can't you understand that saving you and saving father are not the same, sir?
Why not, Nayan? Why not?
Whatever happened to you was a mere danger, sir. There was a chance of death. These dangers can be dodged. And that is why Mother herself told me to save you from the dangers. But it's not a mere danger to father, sir. He's destined to die at this age. Otherwise, wouldn't Mother have asked me to save father? But she didn't ask me to do that even once. I begged her. I requested her to take me instead of father. Mother cried upon hearing this, but didn't give me any hope, sir. She said it was not possible, Nayan. Everyone has their own destiny. No one can take another person's destiny.
I don't believe them. I don't believe them at all. I don't believe any of them. I can't lose my dad. No way, no way.
So please try to understand. What will I do if you act like this? Didn't you think about me once? He is my father too. I lost my father when I was a kid. And today again I am going to be fatherless. Is it not sad for me that I'm not able to protect him?
No matter what you say, I won't let Dad leave us at any cost. I lost my mom when I was a kid. Now I can't lose my dad, Nayan. Nayan, please do something. Please do something. I implore you with folded hands. Do whatever you can and save my father. Please. I can't lose my father.
Sir, what are you doing, sir? Please don't implore me like that. Please don't do this, sir.
All right, I won't join my hands in front of you. I'm asking you for my dad's life. Give it to me as alms, please. Don't let my dad die, Nayan. Don't let my dad die. Please don't stay quiet. Please speak up.
Oh, Lotus Vishalakshi, why did you put me in such a situation? For the first time, he's asking me for something and I am unable to give it to him. Why? Why, Lotus?
Don't turn me down, man. Please.
Can I dare turn you down, Triptosa? I'll do it. I'll give it a last try. I surely will. If needed, I'll even face the god of death to bring a smile to your face. I'll fight. I'll fight the god of death. But sir, I need to be in the room near father for that. I have to confront mother when she comes to take father away. I have to convince mother with all the strength I have, sir.
Was that the reason you did not want to come out of dad's room?
Yes, but Mother Sanjukta is not letting me stay near father, sir.
No, I'll convince mom. I'm sure she'll agree when she hears everything. I'll go and talk to mom right away, okay?
Sir, don't tell anyone about this, please.
But if you don't tell mom about it, she won't.
For my sake, sir.
Nayan, why did you make me swear? What will happen if I tell mom? She wants his
I
well-being.
don't know what will happen. But father and grandmother don't want anyone to know that I can foresee the future.
Oh God, then how will I keep you near dad? I can't figure anything out.
Sir, can you make arrangements to admit father to the hospital as soon as possible? No, I mean Mother Sanjukta won't be allowed to stay with him all the time.
How's that possible, Nayan? Father's not that unwell that he needs to be hospitalized. Secondly, if mom cannot stay with him all the time, and secondly, if mom cannot stay with him all the time, then how will you be? The rules won't be different for different people.
I know, sir, I know, but I still believe I can do it. Thankfully, I don't look elegant like rich people, so I go to the hospital disguised as a caregiver. Nobody will doubt me. I'll be with father and guard him all the time, disguised as a caregiver.
Wow. Nayan, you are so smart.
I have nothing else, sir. So Lord has blessed me with this much. Sir, go now. Don't delay. The sooner father is hospitalized, the better it will be for us. And yes, Mother Sanjukta won't let father shift to the hospital. So father will have to pretend to be sick, sir. You have to secretly tell father about it. Will you be able to do it, sir? Will you be able to do it?
Nayan, if you can face the god of death for me, can't I do this much for you? I'll arrange everything right away, okay? Who says that the elder daughter-in-law of our family is not worthy? Nayan, we need to try and be worthy of you instead.
You said such a big thing, sir. Please don't say such things. You are counting on me so much. But what if I can't live up to your expectation?
Here, there is one more. Tapo? Tapo, I prayed for you, son. Here, let me touch this to your head. Oh Lord, please protect him. Please protect him. Hail the Lord. Hail the Lord. Sanjukta, you look so tired. Go and get some rest. Go. No, Mom. What are you saying? How can I rest? I won't go anywhere leaving Tapabrata right now. Yes, I am a little tensed and I am with him all the time. It's obvious I'll look a little tired. Is my tiredness bigger than his health?
Oh my. You took the responsibility of taking care of father in the morning and you already became tired. Actually, you don't have the habit of working, that's fine.
Rangana, you always say stupid things. Please don't mind, Sanjukta. I am telling you, go and eat something and get some rest. I am with him. Go.
Yes. Besides, I am feeling much better now. I mean, there's no need to look after me. You never know. I may start walking by tomorrow itself.
What? What do you mean you'll start walking tomorrow?
Why are you so shocked, Sanjukta? Huh? If I start walking by tomorrow, do you have a problem or what?
Oh Lord, I acted like this because of anxiety. What do I do now? No, I mean actually, Tapu, what is going on? Did Sanjukta say that? You always misinterpret what she says. He always misinterprets me. Thankfully you were there. Otherwise the matter would have been escalated. I didn't mean that. You're getting me wrong. What I meant is, I also want you to get better soon, but isn't it a bit too much if you start walking from tomorrow? I won't let you go overboard, Tapabrata. You have to rest now. Wait, drink some water. Why is Tapabrata so confident about getting well? It's a problem for me if he gets better soon. It'll be good if I get the will signed by him while he's ill. Oh, I'm so anxious. Will Vicky be able to arrange for the will today?
Piku, you know what? I just can't tolerate his attitude. He doesn't even have the courtesy to make eye contact while talking. Absolutely disgusting. Excuse me, Mr. Mitra. I waited for an hour outside your office, and even after I got a chance to talk to you, you have buried your head in the file. I can't even see you.
I'm hearing this for the first time in the 32 years of my career.
What do you mean?
I mean, you're being restless and very impatient to see my face. But I have never heard that people come to my chamber to see my face. It's really unbelievable.
No, I mean, we...
Listen, mister. Nobody comes to this chamber to see my face. Everyone means business. And this file you see here is also a business file. Is there any reason to think that your work is more important than anything in this world?
No, Mr. Mitra. Actually, we have an emergency. That is why we are here.
Tell me, what's the matter?
Look, Mr. Mitra, we've come to get a will drafted by you.
These kinds of jobs are done by my juniors. Listen, my secretary is outside. Submit all the details to him. I'll get it done. Thank you.
No, you cannot say that you'll get it done. We've got an emergency, so we want it immediately. If you're asking for more money, we'll pay you. We want it immediately, today, right now.
Are you in such a hurry that you offered Advocate Animesh Mitra more money?
No, Mr. Mitra. Please don't get us wrong. Actually, my dad, Mr. Topobrata Basu, he is in deathbed, sir. That is the only reason that we are puzzled.
Yeah, the matter is that my brother-in-law is terminally ill, so he wants to transfer all his property, movable and immovable, to his wife Sanjukta Basu. And this is the purpose of our visit.
I see. All right. You wait here. Rajat! Rajat!
Uncle, why were you infuriating him? Please don't forget that we are here to making draft the will at any cost. Otherwise, Mom will tear us apart. On the other hand, Nayan's fear is there too.
Dad? Dad, how are you feeling now? Are you okay? Okay. Anyway, Dad, listen, I want to say that this file...
Deepu? You are here? Why did you come here? Didn't I ask you to take care of Nayan?
No, Mom. Actually, these files are...
What about the files now, Deepu? Couldn't you work in your room? Why did you leave Nayan alone?
What are these files, Deepu?
Why are you getting involved in this? No office work is allowed right now. Deepu, go now. Go and be with Nayan. Go. He will go. What is the hurry, Sanjukta? No, Mom. Didn't you see that Nayan is not well? Deepu should stay with her, shouldn't he?
Hold on, Mom. Mom, you couldn't tolerate Nayan until yesterday. Then what changed today that you're so eager to get me out of this room to watch over Nayan? What's wrong, Mom? Mom, it seems like Nayan is right. Aren't you showing too much concern for Nayan suddenly?
Oh Lord. Lord. I promised Tripto, Lord, that I'd fight till the end to save Father. This is the first time he asked me for something, Lord. How could I turn him down? But I took a very dangerous assignment, Lord. It's not protecting someone from danger. It is a fight against destiny and fate, Lord. Will I be able to change the destiny, Lord? Be with me, Lord. Just be with me. Be with me, Lord. Why is this happening, Lord? Why is the lamp not getting lit? Oh, what are you indicating?
Mom, think about it and tell me. Aren't you overthinking?
Strange. You lecture me when I can't tolerate someone and do the same thing when I wish well for someone. You have a problem with whatever I do. I have noticed that nowadays you also taunt me like others, Deepu.
No, Mom, I didn't taunt you. I was just...
Let it be, Deepu. You don't need to explain it. Don't forget that you're my son. I understand everything from your gesture. It was wrong of me to wish well for Nayan. I made a mistake. I asked you to be with her. I apologize. Are you happy now? I said all this because Nayan is not well.
That's so sweet of you, mother. Brother, don't worry at all. This happens with Piku too. When sons take their wife's side, their mothers tend to think that their sons have changed. And mothers get angry. But this is their fake anger. Am I right?
Rangana, stop interfering in everything. I can't just tolerate you. I will.
Mom, why are you getting angry? I'll go to Nayan right away. I just need to talk to Dad regarding business. I'll do that and leave right away. Dad, please take a look at these files. I need some suggestions regarding a few deals. Can you help me?
Mom, look! Look what Deepu is doing. He's a workaholic and he'll make his dad work too in this condition. Deepu, don't show him any files now. You are right, Sanjukta. Tapo, no business-related discussions now. Deepu, let your dad rest.